Good morning. Okay.
If I sit here, nobody sees me, right?
Yeah.
Good morning, Judge Taylor. Judge King. Sorry.
Wow. Good morning.
I have a Dantes Taylor and Mario Sparks.
Okay. Taylor and Sparks. Okay, we'll be with you in just a moment. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
First up, I have Ms. Jones. Sharon Jones. Unmute yourself, Ms. Jones.
Good morning. What do you need, please?
We're just waiting on the court reporter again.
I don't have that name there.
Morning.
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 Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Ms. Jones?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I have Ms. Dunlap set for exam.
Calling
If we
case
could-
number 2405-685101 before the state of Michigan versus Demelia Dunlap. Defendant is charged in counts 1 and 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, count 3, domestic violence, count 4, malicious destruction of personal property, 200 or more but less than 1,000.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the People, P number 60249.
If it please the court, Attorney Sharon Jones, P number 57113 on behalf of Ms. Dunlap.
And what's your pleasure, counsel?
If we could proceed to exam, set it for an exam date.
Are you waiving your client's appearance?
Yes, Your Honor, I would ask the court to do that. Thank you.
Court will waive the defendant's presence, continue to plead of not guilty, and set this matter for preliminary examination. On. Yes, I never gave that 10:45 away. I was May 6th at 10:45. No, I did. Let's say May 6th at 11:15.
Can we, oh gosh, can we go out the next week? I'm sorry, what time did you say?
11:15.
That's fine. That'll work.
All right, May 6th at 11:15, bond will be continued.
Thank you. Have a
Thank
good
you.
day.
Mr. Chapman, good morning, sir. Mr. Chapman,
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. What can I do for you?
We're here for a PCC with Lester Mosley. As you may recall, we set a PCC for the in order to have a PCC along with the Senate.
Hang on a second, sir. We have to get the other defendant here.
It said one Maxon. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, you did? Okay. Okay, so we sent word from Mr. Magnuson to join us. He's at a bond redetermination hearing with the defendant right now. So I'm gonna have to come back to you, Mr. Chapman.
Yes, okay, thank you.
And Ms. Kraus. Sarah Kraus, are you there?
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? What can I do for you?
I am here on Mr. Harris, and our special prosecutor just logged in, Miss Tina Ripley.
Okay, we're ready on Harris.
Calling case number 2405-683301 before the state of Michigan versus Anthony Harris. Defendant is charged in count 1, criminal sexual conduct, first degree, count 2, criminal sexual conduct, second degree.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tina Ripley on behalf of the people, P83688.
And good morning, Your Honor. Sarah Kraus, P81830. I'm appearing on behalf of Anthony Harris, who is present in the Wayne County Jail, Judge. I believe that's him on the 8th floor camera.
Unmute yourself and tell us your name, sir.
Mario Sparks.
Oh, that's not. Judge, I would waive his presence for purposes of this. He is in custody in the Wayne County Jail.
The court will waive the defendant's presence. What's your pleasure?
Judge, I would like to set for an examination date.
Okay, the court will continue to plead of not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination. House May 6th at 11:45.
Judge, would it be possible to do the 8th? My sister's having surgery on the 6th. I'd just like to be there for her.
I can make the 8th work if it's in the afternoon, Judge. I'm scheduled to be in examinations in Dearborn that day.
I can do the afternoon.
Okay, May 8th at 1:30.
That's perfect.
That works. Thank you so much, Judge.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Thanks.
Mr. Bickert.
Do you have that order?
No, I know. Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. What can I do for you?
Your Honor, I have two matters. I have Mr. Cooley for PCC, and I have Mr. Danny Jackson for a competency review, Your Honor. Not only do we not have a report, quite frankly, Mr. Jackson has not been evaluated. I contacted the forensic center, and they did confirm that he was never scheduled. There was nothing on behalf of Mr. Jackson, who is also on Zoom. They're behind. They're just that far behind, I guess. Which with my I'm sorry, and how much of that did you catch?
I caught they're behind. They're that far behind, then you went away.
Yes, I'm not sure what happened. Long story short, Your Honor, I have in custody clients that have had lengthy delays as well. Mr. Jackson is not in custody.
All right, so I don't think I have any other alternative but to adjourn.
That's what I would ask.
Let me
That's what I
call
would ask.
Calling case number 2306-059501 for state of Michigan versus Danny Jackson. Defendant is charged in count 1, criminal sexual conduct, first degree. Count 2, criminal sexual conduct, third degree.
Appearances for the record, please.
May I please court Your Honor, Tyrone Baker appearing on behalf of Mr. Danny Jackson. Yeah, and I believe Mr. Jackson is on. He was on Zoom.
He's
Yes, I
waving
see
at-
him. That's him raising his hand, Your Honor, with the pink shirt.
She's coming in now. Elizabeth Moore. Ms. Moore, your appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Elizabeth Moore on behalf of the people, P84724.
And Mr. Jackson, unmute yourself and tell us your name, sir.
Danny Lamont Jackson Jr.
All right, so my understanding is that this matter was referred for a competency evaluation, and Mr. Jackson is yet to be evaluated.
That is correct.
Has no recourse but to adjourn a competency hearing. I'll adjourn it to July 30th at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I would indicate that Mr. Jackson contacted me numerous occasions, staying in touch with me to just make sure that there have been no appointments. So I just wanted to also just place that on the record, Your Honor.
Good job, appreciate that. Okay, keep up the good work, Mr. Jackson.
Yes, sir.
Continue, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're up to that, Mr. Jackson.
Ready on.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Calling case number 2405-689001 for the state of Michigan versus Terrence Cooley. Defendant is charged in count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 2, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
May it please the court, Your Honor, Tyrone Baker appearing on behalf of Mr. Terrence Cooley. Your Honor, I would ask that the court would allow me to waive Mr. Cooley's presence at this time.
Court to waive the defendant's presence. What's your pleasure?
Your Honor, I would respectfully request the case be set for exam.
All right, the court will continue to plea of not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination. House May 6th at 11:45.
Sorry, I'm trying to clear a screen. Said May 6th. Your Honor, could we schedule to start trial, which I believe is going to go away, but it has not yet, Your Honor. So I'd ask for it later in the week, maybe. Can we do the 9th?
9th is my homicide day. You can do the 8th or the 10th.
I'd ask for the 10th, Your Honor.
Your client in custody?
No.
Okay, May 10th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Hart,
Your Honor,
good morning, sir.
good morning. We're just going to be asking for an exam date, Judge, if May 10th is available.
Who's
Oh,
asking
I'm sorry,
for it?
Alwadi. Alwadi, he's on Zoom, and I'd waive his presence.
Alaudi? Okay.
Yes,
Does Mr. Alaudi need an interpreter?
he does, but I'm prepared to waive his presence.
Oh, okay.
But we will need one for the exam date, though, Judge.
Okay.
Calling case number 2405-683201. For the state of Michigan versus Waive allowed. Defendant is charged in count 1, criminal sexual conduct, 4th degree.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, to you and your staff. Carolyn Solari, P number 86651 for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Hart appearing on behalf of Mr. Alwadi. Judge, we're just requesting an exam date.
You're waiving your client's appearance.
I am, Your Honor.
Court will waive the defendant's presence, continue to plead not guilty, and set this matter for preliminary examination. How is May 6th at 11:45?
Actually, Judge, that's not a good date. I've been listening to your other availabilities. Could we schedule this for the 10th, May 10th? And if need be, we're prepared to waive the 21-day rule.
We have no availability on the 8th.
It's kind of jammed.
Is your client in custody?
No, he's at my office.
May 10th at 9:15.
Very
Your
good.
Honor, if I may, Your Honor, I do have a hearing at Third Circuit Court in Judge Williams Claiborne at 9 a.m. If there would be a later time,
May 10th at 11 o'clock.
that works for the people, Your Honor.
That's good for us, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, May 10th at 11 o'clock. Bond will be continued.
And Your
Thank you,
Honor,
Judge.
if I may indicate for the record that the people have tendered all digital and written discovery to Attorney Hart that's currently in our possession.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Brown. Brian Brown.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. I'm
Morning,
here.
sir. You're here on who? Casey.
So May 10, 11 a.m., right?
Ms. Brown, are you okay? I think you're frozen. He's left. He's probably going to come back. I'll recall him. Mr. Parker, good morning. You can have a seat, sir. Mr.
Good
Parker.
morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Good, sir. How are you?
Great. I have Miss Kara Rice for a PCC. She's online now, and I'd like to talk about bond conditions.
Let me call the case.
Thank you.
Calling case number 2405-685701 for the state of Michigan versus Kara Rice. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, count 2, weapons of firearm, count 3, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, James Parker, on behalf of Miss Rice. My P number is 53832.
Kyra Rice, tell us your name for the record.
Kyra Rice.
What's your pleasure, Mr. Parker?
Your Honor, I'd like to set this matter over for a preliminary examination, please.
The court will continue to plead of not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination. How is May 6th at 9 o'clock?
I can't do anything earlier on that particular day, Your Honor. Can I do something after 12:30 or either something on the 7th, 8th of that week?
Do May 8th at 9 o'clock.
May 8th at 9 o'clock? That'll
Yes,
be
sir.
fine.
All right, May 8th at 9 o'clock. Ms. Rice, that's going to be in person in 36th District Court, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'd like to discuss some bond conditions. Presently, Ms. Rice has a tether on. This event happened on her home on Penrod Street. Right now, she's a mother of 4 children. She has children ages 10, 8, 6, and 4. She's living in a hotel. That particular home is her home. She's had it for 4 years. The complaining witness is the father of the children, and he hasn't lived there. And obviously, part of her tether conditions is that she can't go to that home. Next, Ms. Rice works. She works at New Beginning Child Care Academy. She works there from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I'm asking the court if she could return home and also can she remove her tether. This event again happened at her home.
People?
Your Honor, looking at the reports, I will indicate that the police report lists the same address for the complainant and the defendant. So I don't know. I'm not quite sure why, if he lives at a different address, what that address is. I can give him a call and find out if he is not living there. And if he's not living there, then if he's not living there, I have no objection to her returning to her home. But I am asking that the tether remain.
Why don't the two of you get together later on today and see if you can work out some kind of stipulation?
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, then.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Brown, you worked out those technical difficulties?
I did, Your Honor. I apologize about that.
You're here on Paisley, correct?
That is correct. Yes, sir.
Okay, we're ready on Paisley.
Ms. Rice, you can log off. I'll give you a call.
Is it unsafe? Calling case number 2405689701 for State Michigan versus Unsafe Paisley. Defendant is charged in count 1, police officer assaulting resisting.
Appearances for the record, please.
Your Honor, I'll put my name on the record, but this is not a DV case. It's just a resisting obstructing police officer.
I don't know why.
Yes, so I'm asking that this case be transferred to a different exam courtroom.
I concur.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brian Brown, P80560, appearing on behalf of Mr. Unze Paisley, who is present in court. Mr. Paisley, please state your name for the record.
Unsafe Paisley. So, Mr. Brown, I don't think this case meets the criteria of being in this courtroom. So we're gonna have to find out where this, what really supposed to be at, okay?
Okay, I was kind of surprised too when I saw the charges and that it was in your courtroom also.
All right. So we'll figure out where you're supposed to go.
And Your Honor, if I could present my telephone number, for some reason, signed counsel has not been giving me telephone numbers for my clients, and I don't have discovery yet, so I was at a disadvantage to reach Mr. Paisley.
What's your number?
313-671-4139. Thank you.
Okay, signed, sealed, and delivered. Moving on, Ms. Tucker.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What can I do for you?
I'm here on Derek Newman.
Okay, Mr. Newman is present. Ms. Katawa.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm the Arabic interpreter.
Ma'am, we get started at 8:30 around here. We've already did the case.
I just got the call, Your Honor. Sorry.
That's okay. All right. We're
So,
gonna need you,
also-
however, they're gonna need you or someone from your office on May 10th at 11 o'clock for preliminary examination.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day, man.
You too. Bye-bye.
Mr. Brown.
Yes, Your Honor.
It's gonna go to Judge Giles.
Okay, is that for today?
Yes, I'm sending your client over there now.
Okay, thank you. I'll zoom right over there.
All right. Okay, we're ready on Newman.
Calling case number 9605821601, people of the state of Michigan versus Garrett Newman. Defendant is charged in count 1, criminal sexual conduct, 4th degree.
Appearances for the record, please.
Derek Newman.
And
Do
Your
I have
Honor,
the APA?
I don't think that there is an APA. I'll put my name on the record right now. Good morning, Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Derek Newman.
Tell us your name, Mr. Newman.
Derek Newman.
All right. What's your pleasure, counsel? You have to unmute yourself. Can't hear you.
Oh, sorry. Can you hear me now, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay. I received this case like 2 weeks ago. This is from a 96 case. Apparently the warrant has been out for almost 30 years. Mr. Newman has never been arrested on this. I have absolutely no discovery. The register of actions isn't even online for me to even view, Your Honor. We were in Judge Jefferson's courtroom yesterday, and they moved us over to here. So as of right now, Your Honor, we're flying blind.
Okay, so you tell me all that to indicate what? What do you want to do?
That I'll be filing a motion possibly to dismiss this case, Your Honor. And I still need discovery.
Say this case is from 1996.
Yes, Your Honor. Apparently they put a warrant out for his arrest, but Mr. Newman has never been in trouble with the law. He was stopped in a traffic stop and was arrested and found out about this warrant. from almost 30 years ago.
So what do you want me to do? That's the question.
I need to get discovery.
Okay. And then what?
Possibly set this for an exam. I don't know which way to go with my client because he doesn't even know what's going on.
I'm inclined to adjourn the probable cause conference to get the APA. That's going to be the APA of record here. And then that person can get you the discovery and maybe answer any questions as to what's taking so long.
That'll work. That works for me, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yes, that works for me also.
I'll adjourn the probable cause conference to May 7th at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Otler?
Your Honor, I'm here on two matters. I am here for Mario Sparks for a PCC, and I'm also here on Dantes Taylor for a PCC. Both of them are in custody, and I believe I see Mr. Sparks on Zoom.
Okay. Ready? Let's do Sparks.
Calling case number 2405-685501 before the state of Michigan versus Mario Sparks. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, count 2, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alana Altler, P number 87128 on behalf of Mr. Mario Sparks, who appears via Zoom. Mr. Sparks, could you please state your first and last name?
Mario Sparks.
What's your pleasure, counsel?
Your Honor, we would like to set this matter for preliminary examination.
All right, the court will continue to plead not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination. House May 6th at 11:45.
That works, Your Honor. Thank you.
We continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ready on Taylor?
Yes, currently he has been approved for tether. He's just trying to get processed at this point.
Calling case number 2405-685401 before the state of Michigan versus Dantes Taylor. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, count 2, weapons felon fire, count 3, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alana Altler, P number 87128 on behalf of Mr. Dantes Taylor, who is in custody. I don't see him on the screen, so I would ask to waive his appearance for the purposes of this hearing.
Court will waive the defendant's presence. What's your pleasure?
Your Honor, we would like to set this matter for a preliminary exam. I also have an outstanding discovery issue, and I would like to address bond in this matter.
Court will continue to plead not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination. We'll do May 6th at 12 o'clock.
That works, Your Honor. Thank you.
As to bond?
As to bond, Your Honor, currently Mr. Taylor is on $25,000 cash. We are asking for him to be released on a PR bond, Your Honor, for a number of reasons. At the time of this alleged incident, Mr. Taylor was not on probation or parole. He was not awaiting trial. So pretrial release is possible under MCR 6.106B1. He also has no felony convictions on his record. But more importantly, Your Honor, based on the initial discovery that we have received, the complaining witness in this case has indicated that she does not wish to prosecute. She told that to police in an interview, which we received in discovery. She also said that Mr. Taylor never pointed a gun at her, never fired a gun at her. So we believe for the time being until the exam that a PR bond is appropriate in this case. A no contact order would also be appropriate, but these two don't live at the same address, and the incident allegedly happened off-site at somebody else's home. So we are just asking for the time being that he be released on personal bond, Judge.
People?
I am not objecting to the request for bond to be changed.
Court will reduce the bond to $25,000 per person.
Your Honor,
No
would you like a
contact.
draft order?
I'm sorry?
I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to speak over you. Would you like a draft order of that, Your Honor?
Yes, please.
Yes, will do. And then as to discovery, Your Honor, I am still waiting for the interrogation video of Mr. Taylor at DDC. That's the only thing we don't have.
Interrogation. Okay. I will request that and as soon as I get it, I will send it to you.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Do you have a number for Mr. Banks? Mr. Chapman, we're gonna check on Mr. Magnuson now, see if I can get in contact with him, okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Young lady in the Wayne County Jail, what's your name? I can't hear you.
Camelia Owens.
Judge, that's my client. Miss Owens is my client. I wonder, could you put us in a breakout room? Please.
Okay, hang on. Go ahead and join.
Thank you, Judge. What's your name, sir, in the Wayne County Jail?
Anthony Harris.
Mr. Harris? Your next court date is May 8th at 1:30, Mr. Harris.
Yes, sir.
You're all set. May 8th at 1:30.
That's all it's for.
Taylor. What's your name, sir? What's your name, sir?
Dr. Taylor.
Mr. Taylor, your next court date is May 6th at 12 o'clock.
So I don't have court today?
We had it. We did it already.
Huh?
We did it already. Your next court date is May 6th at 12 o'clock for preliminary exam.
All right, so I'm going now?
Yes, sir.
All right.
See you Monday.
Huh?
See you Monday.
Okay. You said that's my preliminary exam, right? You say?
Yes, sir.
What was the first name? No, I don't have him in custody. The corner across that, we have him. Excuse me, Judge King.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I only had those three gentlemen for this floor.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too, sir.
Oh, I keep forgetting about you, Mr. Woodard. I didn't even see that you were back.
I'm just sitting here quietly minding my own business, Judge. We're ready when you are.
Hey, I heard a rumor that you're doing something special.
We are. Today's the end of the challenge period, so we'll see what happens.
I'm a bit bothered that you haven't asked me to endorse you.
Judge, I haven't, like I say, we're at the end of the challenge period. Nothing is official right now. It's all in the unofficial stage. And I'm kind of keeping my powder dry until it's official, and then you won't be able to ignore me.
Okay. Well, keep me in mind. I'd be happy to endorse you.
Thank you.
We're ready on.
Calling case number 2405-688601, people of the state of Michigan versus Amelia Owens. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon. Count 2, child abuse, 4th degree. Count 3, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
And Judge King, good morning to you and to your staff. Good morning. Michael Woodyard, my P number is 64612. I'm a staff attorney at Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit, and our office represents Ms. Owens. She's on the jail, in the jail on the Zoom call. Ms. Owens, would you say good morning and say your name, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Amelia Owens.
Judge, a couple things. I need to request any sort of digital discovery that may have been generated. I have a copy of the police reports, but I see Ms. Drain shaking her head.
Yes.
The other thing, Judge, is at the bond redetermination hearing yesterday, a couple of changes were made to Ms. Owens' bond, and I wanted to bring them to your attention, if I may.
Okay.
The first was that Ms. Owens was granted a personal bond with a GPS tether. That's fine. She'll manage that. However, the limitations are a little bit different, if we might. Judge McConico enforced a curfew of 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. I'm sorry, of midnight to an overnight curfew. The problem is Ms. Owens works overnight. Her hours usually are 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. as a nurse and a home health aide. So if the court would consider simply striking any in-house hour requirement, we would appreciate that. If the court feels that such a requirement is necessary, then we would ask that it be during the daytime, like, for example, noon to 8 p.m.
So she works from 11 to what time?
11 p.m. to 7 a.m. So she works the overnight shift.
Monitoring at any time.
Ms. Drain?
I don't have any objection to that request, Your Honor.
Okay. Send over a proposed order to that effect.
May I include it just to have no curfew limitations, just simply remain fitted with the GPS tether? Is that what Ms.
I thought we were talking about with the curfew.
If whatever the court wants.
Changing it to daytime.
Perfect. I'll do that, Judge. The second aspect of the limitations are that Ms. Owens was ordered not to have any contact with the Newport Street address, which is the flat where this incident is alleged to have occurred. Judge, we're going to ask that that be stricken for two reasons. There are two separate complaining witnesses in this case. One of them is Ms. Owens' daughter. And at the moment, Ms. Owens' daughter is residing with Ms. Owens' mother. So the child is not at the Newport Street address. The second complaining witness is not a resident of that address, but a visitor, a boyfriend who comes and goes and visits. So he's not a resident either. And it's Ms. Owens' only home. So she has really nowhere else to go. So if the court could remove that restriction, we would appreciate it.
So are you telling me that no one is at the home?
It's vacant right now. Miss Owens is the only resident. Well, with her daughter, but her daughter is with her mom right now.
How old is the daughter?
9 years old.
Ms. Drain?
I guess I don't, if no one is there, I'm not quite sure what the restriction was about then, if you know?
I imagine, I don't. I imagine the bond redetermination judge may have seen that the incident occurred at that address and imposed that limitation, but I don't know.
I would like the opportunity to speak with the complainant and make sure that he's not living there.
Okay.
That's what I would request.
Contact Ms. Drain later on this afternoon or maybe sometime tomorrow, see if we can work out a stipulation.
Very good.
The same to the court, okay?
Very good. We'll do that.
All right, thank you.
And then the last thing, judges, we'd like to schedule this for a preliminary examination.
Okay, how is still trying to give this May 6th at 11:45 away?
No good for me, Judge. I'm out of town.
Till when?
On the 6th. I'm back on the 7th.
May 8th at 10:45?
Perfect.
Okay, May 8th at 10:45. All right, thank you, folks. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge. Miss Owens, you and I will be in touch, okay, as soon as you get out. Judge, I also show that I'm on your docket today for Mr. Alwadi. Does that sound familiar?
He must have retained Mr. Hart on that case.
I had a feeling he would have retained. Okay. Wonderful. Then I'm done.
Then you just box the May 6th of the
Still no luck with Mr. Magnuson?
His office there.
Good morning, sir. How you doing today?
Morning, Your Honor. How are you doing?
Good. What can I do for you?
Yes, I was coming to speak about time matter here tomorrow. I just wanted to see. So. So I just wanted to break the time. For example, spoke with Mr. Dyer and went to the jail, had a conversation. And based on what I'm reading, based on the responses, and also the final question is, you have until issues. I was at the Stone Press years ago. So I think that we need possibly to further competency.
Well, here's the thing.
Yes, sure.
It's one thing if he's had a mental issue, particularly in the past. It's another if, for whatever reason, you don't think he's able to assist in his defense, or he doesn't understand the process of what's going on.
I don't think he understands the process of what's going on now. So I talked.
And we can make the report.
I don't think he understands what's going on. And I mean,
and it's set for exam tomorrow?
It's set for exam. I was just with him yesterday.
What's your client's name?
Dyer.
Dyer?
D-Y-E-R.
Okay, so I'm gonna let the prosecutor know so she can call off the witnesses. That's what you.
Well, yes, I saw her on the Zoom. I don't know if she was still there. I was going to try and speak to her through this media, but I guess I can send her an email.
Ms. Drain, are you there?
I'm here, Judge. Sorry about that.
No problem. So you have a counsel here that has an exam with us tomorrow on a Dyer. He's going to refer Mr. Dyer for a competency evaluation, so I was gonna let you call your witnesses off.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much.
So I'll see you though. You can actually zoom in tomorrow morning if you like. And, make questions.
Okay, thank you very much, Ron. I appreciate it. Oh, yeah, by the way,
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Has the court been able to contact the jail in order to bring Mr. Mosley to court?
Contact the jail.
I just received a message saying that the jail was waiting for a call. I don't know if that's the accurate, but
Yeah, I sent the middle.
Oh.
Yes. It's telling me multi zone.
Hey, this is a Taylor. Yeah, that's the first thing. Yeah. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Yeah. In the old jail, they get right on it.
Okay, appreciate it. Thank you.
Welcome, John.
So.
Mr. Chapman, did you want to break out room? Oh, Mr. Magnuson is here now. Good morning, Mr. Magnuson.
Good morning, Judge. I apologize. I had this down for May 2nd for some reason on the paperwork that I had.
Your paperwork is probably correct, but we had Mr. Chapman here, who's co-defense counsel on this case, who was actually scheduled for exam yesterday. So I didn't want to schedule you for an exam on a day that you weren't available. So we wanted to get you in here to see what dates you're available so we can schedule this all at one time.
Okay, so we're just, yeah, well, I was going to ask for an exam anyhow. I haven't been able to, I just got appointed and I hadn't been able to get it. I don't have the discovery and I haven't talked to my client. So, but be that as it may, we can keep it moving. Let's set a date.
Okay, let me call the case.
Calling case number 2405-6718. People of the state of Michigan versus defendant number 1, Lester Mosley, and defendant number 2, Diamond Martin Travis. Both defendants are charged in count 1, assault with intent to murder. Both defendants are charged in count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon. Both defendants are charged in counts 3 and 4, weapons, felony, firearms.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Clark Chapman on behalf of Lester Mosley, P 69850. Mr. Mosley, do you agree to proceed in this hearing by Zoom?
Magnuson?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Mark Magidson, on behalf of Mr. Travis Martin, P number 25581. And I don't know if he's available for today's proceeding, but if he's not, I would waive his appearance for purposes of today's matter.
All right, Mr. Mosley, tell us your name for the record.
Lester Mosley.
All right, so I presume that both of you are demanding a preliminary examination, is that right?
That's correct, Your Honor, and we would respectfully request, if possible, Monday, May 6th.
That's correct. We are requesting this, and let me just check my calendar well, I've got on May 6th, I have, I just have one other matter up in the morning, so I think May 6th would work as long as it's not 9 o'clock.
Anytime on May 6th would work for me, Your Honor.
The only other thing I have is I have to be in Oakland County at 1 p.m.
It looks like I'm kind of booked on May 6th. I can do May 8th.
Your Honor, I'm sure the court is aware that Mr. Mosley's been in custody since the 22nd. We were scheduled yesterday to have the exam, but adjourned it in order to make certain that we could do both defendants at the same time. Is there any way possible that you could schedule it early in the morning so as not to interfere with co-counsel's schedule?
I don't start earlier than 9 o'clock, and I can't get prisoners here earlier than 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock would be fine.
He has a conflict at 9 o'clock, sir.
I'm sorry.
Judge, I'm available on the 8th, but I've got I've got to be in I've got about 3 things between 9 and 10. 2 of them are on Zoom. One is in person in Southfield. If we could do it closer to 11:30, noon, anytime after that, I'm available all day.
On the 6th?
I can do 11 o'clock May 8th. Mr. Chapman?
I'd hope to be back in Arizona on May 8th. However, would 11 o'clock on the 6th work? You have?
No, sir.
Well, it appears that we'll have to do May 8th at 11 o'clock.
Okay. May 8th at 11 o'clock, why don't we continue?
Your Honor, may I briefly address my?
Okay.
I know that we had extensive discussion about this yesterday. As of yesterday, Mr. Mosley had not been interviewed by pretrial services, despite the fact that the request had been on the 22nd. Ms. Drain specifically indicated that she was. I would modify my request.
I can't hear you, Mr. Chapman.
I'm sorry. Ms. Drain indicated that she was opposed to a personal bond. I would modify my request and ask for a low bond 10% with a GPS tether.
as I indicated to you yesterday, and I don't think much has changed from yesterday to today, I would prefer to have a report from pretrial services. And I don't think that they moved that fast. I didn't expect them to have an interview between yesterday and today. Well, maybe by sometime today. I can't speak for them, but I should surely have a report by next Wednesday.
Understood.
Okay. Thank you.
Ms. Drain, if you could send me the, all the discovery today, you have my, information.
I do, and I will send it to you today.
Thank you very much. Good seeing you.
Phone number with 313-802-0128.
Okay, are we all set?
Nothing further, Judge. Thank you.
Nothing
All right.
further.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Well, folks, that concludes the docket for today. Hope to see you tomorrow, same bat station, same bat time.